there in the water, you see the house right there, you need to pay for that. Okay? That's why you do the kayaking holiday. Then after that, move out. That's our lunch area. Take the other side right there for another rock formation.
Wala pa, nagbuo yung lubid.
Ayun lang, pwede siguro din.
Kung pansit?
Beach 91. So, but it doesn't mean you're gonna eat your lunch right now. Okay? So, as I said before, we just need to avoid so many people in our destination. That's why we are the first one who has arrived here. Well, after you eat your lunch, we're gonna leave this place directly. What I mean, we leave and then we're gonna use this place, the place that we use in the DSM for this people. Okay? So, okay. Master, we call that kind of name, Beach 91, because back in 1991, there is a batch that was graduated in high school in Corontal. After their graduation, they go here for celebrating their graduation, like partying the beach monster. That time, there's no indigenous people was guarding that place. That's why they don't know what's the name of this beach monster. So, because back in 1991, if you will gonna say Palawan, not famous yet. Reason 3. First reason answer why Palawan is not yet famous before. Because of the dengue, mosquito. But it's not here in Coron, Puerto Princesa. Second reason why Palawan is not famous. Iwahig. Or in USA, they call it Alcatraz. Yes. People was so many accused. They put it in Iwahig. Iwahig is separated island also to the Palawan, but still part of the city Puerto Princesa. And then the last reason, if this is my finger, the white things right there far from us in the mountain, Culion. ago. Leprosy area. All the people have a leprosy long time ago. Wilson is there. But not only Filipino. That's why they call that place before Isles of the Living Dead. Because there is a Korean, there is a Chinese, Japanese, American, European, whole world. That's why they call that place before Isles of the Living Dead. And then, there is if I'm not mistaken, a governor or senator was given a chance to open this Coron, Palawan, to make it as a tourist here. Then it was in. That's why now, Baxter, Palawan is famous now. Okay? So that's why back in 1991, indigenous people, they just only get people to go here without paying. That's why, Reach 91, people was not here. Meaning of that, March 1991. But the real name of that, Kaliwan Thai. Again, Kaliwan Thai, which is native words concept. Okay? So, all your things, you can leave it here in the boat if you want. If you want to bring it, no problem because you have your own baggage right here. And guys, all the kayak, if we're gonna bring it down there, all you need to do is to wait for your kayak. Again, Sunset Cove. It's in that side, right side. Don't go down in the water except if you are willing to pay the entrance fee there that you want to swim around there in that lagoon. After that, move out to the Sunset Cove, take that side for another rock formation, ma'am sir. Food it will be served like 11:20 to 11:30. Then we're gonna meet each other here for your lunch. Okay? After you eat your lunch, we're gonna leave this place directly, going to the other destination. Remember, for your lunch, you have only water for your drink. If you want to have extra drinks, down there with the indigenous guy, he is the owner of this Beach 91. They are selling there coconut, 50 pesos. Buy one, take one, 100 pesos. So it's good deal for you. And then there's a Coke, there's a beer, which is very cold, like my ex-girlfriend. Yes, that's why I'm gonna drink it no thing. That's right. Here, life jacket is not mandatory also. Okay? Going down there, never touch that bed. Ayukin mo yan. Never use that one to hold. You see? It's wiggling. But watch your head. Okay? Watch your head. Okay? Enjoy guys. Kaya ko muna kayo, ha?
Pwede na bumaba. Papadala ka sa akin. Siguro mo rin, don't say.